you want to create YouTube thumbnails that stand out, get you more clicks and get you more views, then you've come to the right place, because in this video we're going to show you exactly how you can see which thumbnails are getting the most clicks for a specific search query and understand how you can create a custom thumbnail that's going to stand out from the crowd and help you get the views that you deserve on your videos. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. To get started, you're going to need the TubeBuddy keyword research tool. So if you don't have TubeBuddy yet, then you can click on the link in the description down below, sign up for a free account, install the Chrome plugin, and then you can follow along in this tutorial. If you want to see how to get TubeBuddy step by step, you can watch our video right here. Let's jump onto the laptop and let me show you what kind of custom thumbnails you need to create to rank higher in YouTube search. So we're going to head over to our YouTube homepage, and then we're going to head up to the right hand side to the TubeBuddy menu. We're going to click on that, and under tools we're going to launch the keyword explorer. Now I want you to type in the keyword that you want to rank your YouTube video for. So once you've decided on the keyword you want to target, and you've checked the search volume, you've checked the competition, and you've checked your optimization strength, and you're happy with the overall score on TubeBuddy, then I want you to head over to the tabs at the top and click on results. Now the great thing about this TubeBuddy tool is it shows you which thumbnails are getting the most clicks, which means they're getting the creator the most views. And I want you to see what they've got in their thumbnails, how they've structured their thumbnails, and get some ideas on how you can create a YouTube thumbnail that stands out from those top 3, top 10 results. That's going to help you get the advantage over your competitors and start getting more clicks in them. If you can get more clicks in them, YouTube's going to push you up in the search rankings, and that's going to get you the views that you deserve on your video. So the first thing that I like to look at in the thumbnails is to see what is the predominant color in that thumbnail. This first one is white and green. The second one is yellow and red. And the third one is purple, red and white. If we scroll down, here we've got purple and yellow. This is red and black, blue and black, blue, red and a bit of black, blue, red and black again. Now that's Think Media, and they do create awesome custom thumbnails, so they are always a great resource to look at to see exactly what they're doing, because they know exactly what the winning formula is. So having a look at the results here, the main thing that stands out for me is they all have big, bold text. And most of them have a picture of the creator in the thumbnail. So the first thing I'll do is make sure I have a picture of myself in there and make sure the text is big and bold. Next I would decide what text I'm going to put in there. So there's thumbnails, there's custom thumbnails, there's thumbnails. So I would definitely put thumbnails in there. And there's how to make, there's easy, there's free apps, there's on an iPhone, and there's updated at the bottom there, and the YouTube logo, and you can see that he's got an Apple logo there. There's quick and easy from Think Media, and there's quick thumbnails. So people want to see that they can do it really quickly and easily, and that it's accessible. So those are really good words to use in your thumbnails. Let's go and have a look at another example. So this is one of the keywords that we've been ranking for on YouTube. So you can see exactly how we've implemented what we're teaching you here and how it has worked for us to get more clicks and rank higher in YouTube search. So we're ranking number 1 for how to verify your YouTube account. And you can see we've done blue and red. And if you look at everyone else, there's white, red and black. There's black and red. Then we tried a yellow version, and that one did really well. We're nearly on 500,000 views for that video. That's a dull colored boring one. Dull colored boring. And then we've tried a bright yellow here. This is a new video. Then there's red, white and black. There's red, white and black. There's a bit of yellow coming through. There's blue and red. There's our blue and black version. And that's got 167,000 views. So as you can see, what we're showing you really works on YouTube, and I want you to go out and give it a try on your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or queries about YouTube thumbnails, or you want us to create a video going more in depth on custom thumbnails, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're ready to start and grow your YouTube channel, make sure you watch our next video here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.